All right, listen up. Forget everything you thought you knew about electric cars being boring. This right here is the Lucid Air. And it ain't here to play games. It's here to absolutely demolish the competition, namely Tesla's Model S. We're talking about a car that gets over 500 miles on a single charge. For real, an interior that feels like a private jet, and acceleration that'll slam your brain into the back of your skull. So, after living with this thing, does it actually dethrone the king? Or is it all just talk? Buckle up, because the answer might shock you. So what exactly is the Lucid Air? It's not just another EV. This is the first real, no BS challenger to Tesla's crown. And the kicker? The brains behind this operation are the same gearheads who engineered the powertrain for the original Model S. They took a decade, went back to the lab, and built what they think is the next evolution. This is their mic drop. First, the looks. In person, this thing is a stunner. It's sleek, low, and has this spaceship vibe, thanks to the cab-forward design. But the real party is inside. You open the door and boom, limo-level legroom. The materials are next level, soft leather, cool metal, real wood. It feels expensive, like it should. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 34-inch curved screen that looks insane. There's another screen below that glides down to reveal a secret stash spot, a legit party trick. But it's not all perfect. The learning curve is steep. Want to adjust the steering wheel? That's in a menu. Climate control? Dig through a screen. It can be a headache until you get used to it. But let's get to the good stuff, the performance. You stomp on the go pedal, and whoa, the silence makes the violent shove in your back feel even more insane. We're testing the Grand Touring model, which means over 800 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. It's not just a straight-line hero either. This big sedan can actually handle, feeling planted and agile on a twisty road. And this is its killer app. Range. The official number is 516 miles, but in our real-world testing, highway, city, even some lead-footed fun, we consistently saw numbers in the high 400s and 70s. Let that sink in. This thing absolutely annihilates range anxiety. You can drive for hours and hours, and the battery meter barely moves. It's a game changer. So, is it the perfect car? It's a monumental achievement, but it's got a catch. When you line it up directly against the Tesla Model S, it's a split decision. The Lucid Air wins, no contest, on interior luxury, build quality, and that mind-blowing, no-worries range. It feels special, but the Tesla fights back with its tech and its network. The Lucid software, while cool-looking, can be buggy and slow. It lacks the polished, instant response of Tesla's system. And while it charges fast when you find a powerful station, Tesla's supercharger network is everywhere and just works. For road trips, that's a big deal. So here's the final verdict. If you're all about next-level luxury, stunning design, and you never ever want to think about range again, the Lucid Air isn't just an option, it's the new king. It's the EV you get when you want to make a statement. But if you live and die by seamless software and the convenience of the biggest, most reliable charging network on the planet, then the Tesla Model S is still the pragmatic, proven choice. The Lucid Air's real impact is this. It proved a startup can not only compete with Tesla, but can actually beat it at its own game in some key areas. It raised the bar for everyone. This car is more than just wheels, it's a statement. The future of electric performance is here, and it's absolutely wild.